How to customize lock screen shortcuts. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to customize your lock screen shortcuts on your Android device, you may follow up these steps. So, navigate to your settings for that, and from there, you may look out for lock screen or wallpaper and style, similar kind of options within your settings. For now, let's head over to lock screen and open up the lock screen settings. Now, in order to customize your lock screen shortcuts, you may scroll through the given options and look out for this option called shortcuts and tap on it. After you tap on it, first of all, if you have not turned this option yet, go ahead and turn it on like this, and you will be finding this. Now we have left shortcut and right shortcut available. Tap on left shortcut first, and then you can select up the application that you would like to add on your left screen shortcut. I'll just go ahead and do so. Similarly, you can follow the same process for your right shortcut as well. Select up your app, and the particular shortcuts will be displayed on your lock screen that way, and that is it. So you can just go ahead and customize your lock screen shortcuts this way. If you like to select none, you can even select none and do so. So you may follow up the steps in order to customize your lock screen shortcuts. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.